Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to our channel One Step, and we are back with another brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log into a BenefitMall Payroll account. So BenefitMall Payroll basically is a pay focus, and it's an online payroll service that can support business of all sizes. It handles all payroll processing and payroll tax obligation for your business. So payroll means salary, and basically by registering into BenefitMall, it helps you like in the salary management of your employee, all right, when to pay them and how to pay their taxes, because salary also have taxes. All right, that's what this app helps you do, or like software helps you do. Now, in order to log into your benefit payroll account, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step, and let's move forward. First step, you want to search for BenefitMall Payroll online login. Once you search for it, you want to click on the second link where it says Benefit General Agency Broker Servers for Employee. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website, which is the official website of BenefitMall. Once you're over here, you can see Agency Workspace. You can click on Agency Workspace, and it's going to bring you to the login portal. Over here, you need to enter your username. And after you enter the username of your account, you need to enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password of your account, if you want the website to remember your login details like your username and password, you can tick mark remember me. So whenever next time you come into Agency Workspace, then you're going to be automatically logged in into your account without having to enter your username and password. All right. So after doing this, click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your BenefitMall account. And if you forgot your username or password, you can click on versus forgot your password, and you guys can recover your password as well. All right, so that's how you guys can log in into your BenefitMall account. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.